this is going to come up to here. What stops it?
Right.
What stops it? We're on our new property. And we're making a head gate for the cows that we moved this morning. It has been absolutely insane. But we've had some good friends help us. And we've gotten a lot done. But the cows need to be milked. And it's going to get dark here. So we are trying to re-engineer a head gate so our ornery cows don't run away when Rachel milks them. And I think I've used all my brain capacity on all the things we've already done today. Moving cows and calves and a chicken tractor and fixing gaps in the fences and moving a trailer and moving 3 buildings and we have a broken washing machine at the new house, so Rachel was at the laundromat. It's all for the good. It's all gonna work out okay in the end. If we can finish this head gate. I guess I'll let Rachel take you to look around the property a little bit. Does make head gates. They're all gonna fall. I can't carpenter anymore. I took a break from putting the head gate together so you can see this. This is going to be the new garden area. Now, there's a problem. There's a lot of deer here, at least 20 in the yard. I've been reliably informed. So this area here, we're gonna put up deer fencing so I can control it. But there's about a 1/4 acre to that, where the cows are back there, of beautiful thick grass with occasional problems. Like there's an old slab here that we're gonna have to uncover and figure out. And there's a popcorn tree over there. But there's also a couple of small pear trees over there, and there's a fig tree right here. So this is almost like the perfect start of a grocery road garden right along here. And speaking of perfect starts, look at this. I did a little exploratory digging out here last night. This is soil. The last place was cursed. It just had dirt, but this is soil. This is a beautiful sandy loam. See, it breaks apart nicely, sticks a little bit, breaks apart again, and it's rich, it's full of organic matter. That is, that's what I want to see. This is amazing. This should actually grow us some vegetables. We had so much trouble at that other property. So this is like a big thing. You buy the soil when you buy a homestead. So this was all pasture area, but they were keeping dogs on it. And I know that the pasture area probably has some graze-on issues because it was just conventional hay that was being bought from Tractor Supply and the feed store and fed to the horses that were back here before. So I don't trust any of that. It grows fine grass, but it'll mess a garden up. But this area had dogs on it, so that's great because the dogs aren't eating graze-on. Let's go take a look. There's a walnut tree right here, which is also great for your gardens. Those of you who understand allelopathy know that that's a joke. But walnuts are wonderful trees. We're pretty far south in the zone for walnuts. Yeah, they're definitely juglans of some sort. We'll find out real soon here because they're almost ready. It'll be interesting when you can get inside and see what the nut looks like. We've got our little turkeys and chickens right here, which we won't show on YouTube because people freak out about animals. So actually, they're plant-based. Those are plant-based birds. This is a thriving popcorn tree. You can make candles with popcorn trees, and it's one of the top oil producing plants in the world, so don't let everybody tell you that it's a terrible tree. It's terrible, but it has uses. And these are the pears. My guess is this is some sort of a seedling or a rootstock pear. You can see the fruits are very small, and this late in the year, those are small. They're not a Bradford, but they're not particularly big. So we'll see how big they get and if they're worth eating like this. And if not, I'll talk to my friend Randall over at Flomaton Famous, and we will graft these puppies all over in the spring because we've got this established rootstock here. There's one here and one right here. And so I'm thinking we've got orchard space back here on this beautiful soil. I can set up a more of a conventional orchard, and then up on this side where we started out, that area will have our kitchen gardens followed by the grocery row gardens and the experimental gardens, and it'll all be beautiful. I'm very, very excited. This was an absolute gift from God and not at all what we expected. It was a crazy, crazy month. We didn't think we were gonna get it. We had all kinds of issues, and then it all just put together. So thank you for all of the kind words and the support and the, hey, it's okay to not do videos for a while. I have not gone this long without doing videos in quite a bit, and I wasn't even able to really set up and do live streams. We were so continuously busy, but thank you all for giving us a little bit of time, and thanks for all the wonderful things. People came over to my blog and left notes, and you all left nice comments and everything. It's just one of those things, one of those seasons of life, but it's gonna work out great. And of course I'll take you all along with me because we are coming into fall gardening season. It's a good time to move because it's gonna get cooler, and then we can grow cabbages, and we all love cabbages and turnips, lots of turnips. So thanks for joining me. Catch you all next time, and until then, may your thumbs always be green.
We have to try chasing twilight with two high beams. Is this real?